Most ads don't fail because of budget. They fail because they're saying the wrong thing. Here's an example. Now offering HVAC maintenance services. Schedule your service today. That sounds fine, but your customer isn't thinking, I need HVAC maintenance. They're thinking, my AC isn't keeping up, my energy bill is insane, this thing is about to break. So instead, try, is your AC struggling to keep up in this heat? Higher energy bills, even cooling, feels like it's working harder than it should? That's usually a sign your system needs attention. We help homeowners issue early, lower energy costs and keep things running the way they should. Schedule a quick check before it turns into a bigger problem.